Hello and welcome to a new video. In today's video I will be discussing a new photography website and current updates on my photography series. But mainly just the website that I have to accompany the series that is coming out in May of this year. For all this and more, stay tuned as we get right into it. Now, hello and welcome to this video. The photography website that I am working on is currently in production and is almost finished. How this website will evolve, this website will basically be updated every week with extra content, pictures of the current episode, if there's pictures added to it, if there's video or whatever, that will all be included on the website. And by the way, a link to everything that I am talking about, including the website, my social links, the website and everything, the camera equipment, that is all in the link below. So this video, I will be talking to you about my new website. This website that I'm working on will evolve with the evolution of the photography series. On this, every week, there are photos there, by the way, if you'd like to go check them out as well. This website will be updated every week with photos and videos regardless of whatever I decide to discuss in the web series. I also have a Facebook page to accompany the web series as well as the website, which I set up 2 years ago in November this year. There is a lot of photos on that since I decided to start it up. Anyway, that's the website. Hope you enjoy. Goodbye.